Hi guys, we're gonna show you how to fix this machine. The error 532 D-0 D-02 532, right? Okay, that's the problem we're having here on this Riso. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch off the machine and I take it out of power, put it back in. Okay, after that, then I switch on the machine back. I try to create a master here. Every time trying to create a master here. You see, it gives me that. So we discovered that the drum which was put there, it's not the right drum. So if 532 D-02 532. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna press here, and we're going to take out this drum. Okay. Sorry. Take it out. You can see I don't see much of the difference here, but what we can say is Z2 F4 black 30. You can see that these drums seem to be the same. But by surprise, this works there, this doesn't work. Let's change the drum, but this works also on a different machine. Get me? So I'm gonna put it here. And then push that in. Once I push that in, I'll close. You can see I say different error now, of which we can look at. I'll say okay, 40. Clear that. I'm gonna switch off the machine. Switch that on. 40. This machine stucks. It has its own issues, right? But anyway, that error is gone. The D-02 532. So I have a different, you can see it even made a copy here. So I have different issues here. So that's something I need to talk about after. I don't know why it doesn't pick up that, but I still have to learn how to do that. But for this type, you can see what it does. The machine fails to pick up here, collect the paper here. I don't know why is that happening like that, but it was doing that before, picking up a lot. But this is a different error. But the first error we've been working on, it's done, and you can see you can change the drum, then you get that. But if the drum doesn't change, I don't know what you can do for now. You get me? So for that, in that case, if you don't have another drum, I don't know what could be the issue. But in my case, if I put that drum, doesn't work. If I put this drum, it works. You get me? So that's the two things to understand about this issue. So well, that's fine. So I'm going to also try to see how can I fix my error, this error of mine of things not working properly for that hook. You can see that hook, the hooker. I can show you something. You see, even in the video, even if on these machines you watch a video, you wanted to watch something else, then you find someone fix something else, but you learn a lot of things from that. So you see that hook, it's like a finger, that sharp thing. It fails to pick up it fails to pick up the, whenever it does that, it takes out the paper. You get me? So, but I wonder why it fails to pick up the paper. That's the problem I have now. So on the second drum. So that's one of the things I must do, give attention to, because I'm really challenged. So I hope it works for me. I hope it works for me, because it's a big challenge. I can't make any progress here. But your error, it's fixed. I did do that error deliberately because I see a lot of people might need some help on that error. So, well, yeah, well, I thought also that if I change the drum, it's gonna help me, maybe the drum or whatever, it's gonna help me to take out the, start picking, but it still doesn't pick up. And I cleaned the hook, I don't know how many times, but still we can't get that right. You get me? So yeah, well, there's something I might think of anyway. I don't know what I can think of, but there's something I should think of to start trying to see if I can do this, fix this to work. Okay, guys, that's it. In most cases, sometimes when you see more errors also, you have to go here. If there's a master, you take it out. Sometimes the machine can be dirty here. You have to clean this. You have to press here. You see when you press here, this goes down, then you have to clean those inks on here. You get me? If there are some inks on there, then you clean them up so that everything can come fine. Yeah, a couple of things can be happening. When you see a stuck, when the paper is stuck, sometimes it can fail to pick up papers. Sometimes these papers are sticky to each other. It takes out two, whatever, then you take out, you get nice papers. You make sure all papers are clean. Yeah, well, and also clean your machine from dust and all that. You clean all the places you want. I'm a person who tries my best to see if I can fix stuff. Some I win, some I don't win. But as you know, sometimes if it shows like this, it says, it talks about master. Sometimes there is no master here. You get me? How do you take out the master? You press here. If it doesn't work, you can put in a screwdriver here. You press, then it comes out. I need a screwdriver, bigger one. Let's see, yeah, one here. If it doesn't work, you press in here. Okay. Then it should come out. You see that? Maybe it won't come out because of something else, but anyway, you press there, then this come out, right? Yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Okay.